This is the MGPV lung ventilator, and in this video I will show you how to install it. This is the power module. This is the control module. This is the probe valve called V1.8. This is the oxygen implant connection valve. And this is the power cord. This is the tube that connects the device to the oxygen implant by the valve group, like this. After that, do a little bit of traction to see if the tube is connected properly. After that, you should connect the valve group with the oxygen supply, like this. Now, connect the tubes of the probes to the respective connections on the device. Connect each one singularly, exerting a soft traction each time to make sure it's connected properly. Now, here connect the antivirus and antibacterial filter, and here the tracheal tube. At this point, let's connect the device to the control module by using this cable, just like this. Now it's time to plug in the power cord.
Hi.
This part has to be connected to one of those two plugs, like this. Now let's plug it into the net. Now that the device is powered, the oxygen implant must be opened. Regulate the oxygen pressure parameters this way. On the nanometer of the oxygen implant, there must be a pressure of at least 2.5 bar. On the generator's manometer, regulate the value of pressure of oxygen from 1.5 to 2 bars, depending on the patient, by pulling it out and going left or right, and then pull it in back. Now, let's start the control module.